Here's how to get rid of grease stains without a single drop of detergent. And it works faster than regular stain removers. Oil seeps deep into fabric fibers, which is why your washing machine often can't handle it. But there's a simple trick that almost always works. Cover the stain generously with salt. It'll start absorbing the grease right away. Then sprinkle on some baking soda. Its fine texture helps break down the oil like a gentle scrub. Now take a piece of aluminum foil, shiny side down, and place it over the stain. That side conducts heat better and speeds things up. Press a hot iron over the foil. The heat activates the salt and baking soda, drawing the grease out of the fabric and into the foil. Hold it there for about 15 to 30 seconds, but don't overheat the fabric. Then remove the foil and brush off the salt and baking soda. The stain will be gone, and your pants will look good as new. Quick, easy, and seriously effective. This hack works every time,